Okay everyone, it's nighttime and welcome to Vlogmas. We're gonna hang all these stockings. This is every single one of my family members. Every single one right here, they all have stockings and they go up at my mom's house every year. They go up here. It's not gonna look like that. It's not gonna look like that. It's gonna be beautiful with all of the stockings. And then of course, oh yeah, fall. Bye-bye fall. No more for you. So welcome, we're in the midst of decorating. It's gonna be a couple days of decorating, so thanks for joining us here today. My mom and I are hanging stockings. They're right here. Check it out. We have so many stockings because we have so many people that, you know, we're in our family. We have a big family, so. Okay, she got the stockings up. They're kind of in order. We still have a few more to put up, but they look good, yeah. We'll resume tomorrow. So we're continuing our Christmas decoration. Kinsley down here, you'll see a little bit of her. She's gonna help us decorate. We got all kinds of fun things. We're gonna decorate the mantle, and then we'll put up the tree, and then we'll go outside. It might take a couple of days because we have a ton of boxes. You can't see everything that we have, but we have a ton of boxes over here of Christmas decorations, and then that whole corner, that's all my mom's decorations. So, all right, let's get decorating. Oh, careful. Careful. Okay, Kinsley, what do you got? Trick or treat. That's Halloween, ma'am. My Santa, I thrifted him. He is my absolute new favorite thing, and he plays music.
Here, did you give her the cones?
Kinsley, smell.
She knows. She got into him last time she was here.
I bought these candles at the Dollar Tree.
Do you like it? Is it good? I like the green and the red. What do you think, Kensley?
Red, white, or green?
I kind of like the green. Because you don't have much green. You just got a little green and you got a lot of white and a lot of red.
And then the stuff I have that goes around is red. This is my stocking. It's the best stocking out of all of them. It says my puppy, however, but it's not a puppy anymore. We need a new picture. Thanks for watching. On to the next DIY Christmas project. Kinsley, are you trying to come through? You want to get in the camera?
I want to hold it.
Okay, you want to hold it? Here, you can hold it. Oh, blooper. Oh no. Okay, that's pretty
Merry
good.
Christmas.
Like this, Kinsley. You got to see yourself. Look, hold it like that. So can you see yourself? Oh, here, come here. Okay, that's a blooper. It's still recording. It's not recording forward though. It's recording up. Like, yeah, there you go. Behind the scenes with Kinsley, if you want to. Okay, Kinsley says bye. Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
And that's a wrap for the console table decorations. On to the next Christmas adventure.